we will like show you how to add device like PC or Windows or XP or any laptop here in EVNG. So we will do the setup. Okay. So for that one, to setting that building like adding PC in EVNG, first you have to take the XP. So if you will see here, first time if you are doing, so if you will type Windows, so it will not allow. Okay, here it will show like this type. Okay, so for the adding any PC, first you have to copy the IOS. For copying the IOS, you have to like use the SCP software. From there you have to log in with this host. If you will see, I have login in this host. So if you are login first time, it will be the password will be root and ev. Okay, so here if you have to go under option, and then unit lab, and then add on and qm, and then you have to put the windows. So here for putting the windows, like all iOS I have copied here, like FortiGate and other as well. So if you want to like put that windows, so you have to make the folder like win hyphen, and then whatever like lab iOS you have, you can give the name, but the first name should be win hyphen. Like in FortiGate, you have to put FortiGate hyphen the same way. So under that one, we have to copy the iOS. Okay, so we will copy the iOS from XP. So here we will go under here. Okay, this iOS we have to copy here. So we have to simply just drag and drop here. Okay, so if you'll see, it is copying there iOS. It will take. So and our that iOS is copied under this one. Okay, so after once it is copied, then we can skip that one. Now you have to add that iOS. Here you have to click on, first refresh this one. Okay, then add a node. Here type select Windows. So we have to select Windows. So here you can see that images are already taken here, and if you want to give the RAM and all, you can give. Otherwise we can leave it as it is. Okay, here we will put we will save it. Now our that we will choose the interface this. Okay, and Ethernet. Okay, so now our that link is done. Now we will start our Windows. We will take that. So it is starting now. Okay, it is starting now. Under that we will go network place, and then we will go under property. Here under IP address, here we will give that IP address. We will here put use manual IP. Okay, 30.30.30.11 we are giving here. Subnet mask we will give 255.255.255, and gateway will be our firewall. Okay, here we will put 30.30.1, and DNS we will put 8.8.8.8. Okay, now we will click on OK and OK. So if you will see here, it is showing it is connected now. We'll we'll close this one, and we'll close this one as well, and minimize this one. Now if you will see, our that device is connected and 1 gigabit. We'll try to do some google.com. We'll try to do some internet access. So you can see we are like ping is happening now. Let's try to do ping 8.8.8. That also happening. So it will take some time to open the google.com. So you can see that Google is accessible now. Okay, so this is like our laptop is set up, and we are able to do the google.com as well. So we have successfully added that XP PC here, and we are able to ping that internet. Thank you for watching, and if you want me to create any other video topic, please do comment. So we will create a topology for that one as well. And thank you for watching.